Welcome to my YouTube channel, Let's Get Into It. This will be a reading from this deck. I don't know the name of this deck. I bought this deck a long time ago, okay? And when it came, it didn't have a book, it didn't have a name, and I had totally forgot the name of the deck. All right. Now, who am I? Y'all, I'll put the identity that I have been given is... part of that is Kenyatta, okay? So that's what we're going to keep going with for the time being, okay? Okay, part of the name that they gave me. I'll put my video about the name in the comments section, okay? But the title of this reading is Helicopters and Phone Taps. Now, when I say phone taps, I'm not talking about cell phones. I'm talking about a time where, you know, the cell phone had not been put in the hands of the quote-unquote common man as of yet. Okay, I'm talking about landline phones, all right? So, I'm talking about early 90s. Phone taps and helicopters. Military helicopters, not just any old helicopter, hovering. Okay, what is this about? Let's see if we can get some good information from this beautiful tarot deck. If anyone knows the name of it, you can put it in the comments section. Slippery. Phone taps, helicopters, or helicopters and phone taps, whatever I called it. All right, let's get into it. Here we have the Wheel of Fortune, upright. Five of Pentacles, upright. The Magician, upright. Queen of Pentacles, upright. Okay. Nine of Cups, in reverse. Fortune here on your side, okay, in your favor, okay. Things were supposed to go a certain way. Things were supposed to go in your favor. Okay. I feel like fortune was supposed to be given to you, okay. Blessed with the fortune here in your hands. Money, wherewithal, wealth, abundance. But as you can see, the snakes around. Okay. Now, I'm saying that obviously here. Oh, excuse me, from the Judeo-Christian Western understanding or outlook of snake, what a snake is. Okay. But also, you know, that's not the only way to look at a snake. There's another outlook that is very positive. Okay. All right. Here, that there are eternal beings here. Okay. Hold on. Oh, excuse me. Longevity and fortune, once again, okay, here in the Eastern culture. All right. Fertility, rebirth, renewal, even immortality. Okay, in other cultures, it's ancient Greece, Egypt, and indigenous North America. Okay. Fertility or creative life force here, transformation, immortality, healing. The Ouroboros is a symbol of eternity and continual renewal of life. Now, you know how we view it from the Judeo-Christian Western cultural view, the evil, okay, chaos, etc., etc. All right. Nevertheless, here, okay, this was supposed to be life-changing for you, transformative, okay. I'm literally here, and they were supposed to give you your shit. What belonged to you? Amass fortune, I'm hearing, wealth, prosperity, abundance. Something that would have, again, transformed your life, changed your life, opened up a great many doors and horizons to you. But there were energies here that didn't want you to be in that space. They wanted to keep this from you. Keep you without that abundance. Keep you without that prosperity. That I'm hearing was duly yours, rightfully yours. They had no right to keep it. They had no right to take it from you. They had no right here to even cast you out of yourself, I am hearing, okay? You know how they say, okay? Call back yourself. Every day, every night, call yourself back to you. Because people out there, energies out there, whatever they are, okay, want to manifest off of it. And have. So call you back to you. This is what had happened here thus far, as we can see thus far, okay? I do feel possibly some hidden energies here, hidden enemies, quote unquote. Okay. Who I feel like use some, I mean, the power of the tongue. Made you think otherwise, made you think that you were less than a pauper in some. Now see, sometimes when people do this, they don't have to just outright say, oh, you ain't shit. They'll say it other ways, very subtle. That it may seem like they're not even really saying that. There's some people, they're masters at that. You know. But your eternal and internal self has picked up exactly the intention, regardless of how they said it. They might have done some of their black magic witchcraft on you as well. They did. Okay, to keep you from this abundance, to keep you from this state, this Queen of Pentacles state. Okay, that you were supposed to be in, that you were supposed to live in, that was intended for you. They stole from you. Didn't want you in a state of peace, contentment, and satisfaction. That would have benefited, I'm hearing, the all. Okay? Meaning them as well, whoever this was that kept this ring, probably some damn family. Riches, I'm hearing. Abundance untold, I'm hearing, that you were supposed to have, that they were supposed to place in your hands. But they refused. Liars, I'm hearing, and outliers, okay? So, you know, these folk, okay, as well as possibly some other energies that they were working with, okay, that were working with him. And here we have the Fool in reverse, Five of Wands upright, the Judgment card upright, and the Page of Cups upright. But I definitely feel like you didn't see what was going on. Didn't know this. I feel like that this might have even been like whoever did this, okay, the liars, the maybe immediate family, if this was family, and these outliers, people that they were working with, okay, I'm here in conjunction with them to stop you, okay, from the, I'm hearing the quote unquote plan of your success, okay. I guess I feel like things were laid out for you. Like fighting you, competing with you, and you didn't even know it. I'm here like you didn't know what the hell was going on. You were just living your everyday life. But there was something, there was some energies surrounding you, around you, that seemed off. I mean, like, why do they keep following me? Okay, so maybe there were energies here, people following you, phone taps and shit, military helicopters over your head, all type of shit. Like, who am I? Why, you know, why is this? What is this all about? Okay, maybe feeling that you were just, you know, nothing deep or heavy, just things that you picked up on. Maybe you felt shielded. Maybe, you know, you felt shielded and protected, okay, in some ways. But, I mean, but there sure was a lot of strangeness. Strange things, strange energies here. I keep hearing, why are they following me? Now, did you know that they were following? Is this conscious or is this subconscious? You knew that you were being followed in some sense. But why? What have I done? Who am I? What am I walking in? I mean, something about in the light. Am I walking in the light and truth? I feel like you were being judged. But I'm hearing by an unfair court because you didn't know. You weren't made aware. You were none the wiser. You were just a child. Okay, I said early 90s. When I say child, I mean you could have been a child, you know, under the age of 18, maybe even over the age of 18, maybe like in your late teens, early 20s. But they definitely, whoever they is, the liars, the outliers, okay, definitely had their eyes on you, watching you, keeping abreast of your movements, your everyday basic movements. And I am hearing, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? Why are they after me? And who are the they? What is this? I'm hearing like dismantling of myself, my soul, my being, my life. Okay, once again, if you did not consciously ask yourself these questions, then you know, subconsciously asked yourself these questions within. You knew something was up. I got helicopters here, military helicopters hovering over my head every time I come out to this certain location. I hear the phone taps when I pick up my phone. They're tapping in to my reality, into my realm, into my world, and I can't figure out why. What the fuck is going on? Who are these people? What are these things? Why am I here? What is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let's keep on going here. We have Temperance in reverse. The Lovers upright. Seven of Swords upright. You might have thought, like I said, some degree of protection, like you were just special in God's eyes, okay? You know, all these interesting things happen to me, I am hearing. Ever since the day I can remember. They follow. Okay, who the fuck is the they? All right. I don't know as of yet. I am hearing this. All right. Okay. Maybe that is, again, something you were saying, you know, within at that time. All right, but let's keep on going, okay? Things were off balance, off kilter, okay? But again, I do feel like you may have felt, you felt safe. These are questions I feel like, okay, you know, this whole thing about who are they, what's it, you know, who follow me, why they follow me, etc., etc. Okay, what did I do, who the fuck am I, etc., etc. What the hell is going on? Okay, I feel once again these were questions within. I don't feel like these were things that you may have asked yourself consciously. I'm hearing like you were not consciously aware, okay, of the all that was existing or taking place, you know, around you in your existence, these things that were happening around you, but you knew something, you felt something was a little off, a little different, a little strange. There might have been some questions you asked consciously as well. Like, why is that? Fuck my phone tapped for. What did I do? What did I say? Okay. I'm just me. I'm just here. Aren't I like everyone else? Do you experience that? Is that a part of your experience? Hearing no. The following I'm hearing. Energies, people coming to you, knocking at your door, not necessarily your physical door, but the door of your being. Questioning you, telling you things about who the you is. I know you. You do. I don't know you. You think you don't know of me and me. I'll tell you. What is it that thing that you do? Why do you breathe that way, look that way, speak that way, talk that way, walk that way? What do you mean? Who are you? Interesting, I'm hearing. I'm just me. Where's your guard? I'm hearing. People and energies knowing you by name, whom I've never even seen before. Speaking to me as though we're the best of friends. What is this? Why is this? And yet I exist in this realm trying to be normal like everyone else, but it doesn't work. They wanted to cast you out here, I'm hearing, okay? These energies here who, you know, didn't tell you about your shit, okay? This fortune that belonged to you. We're going to keep it from you. Okay? And we're going to spend every dime, blah, blah, blah. The same old, you know, low down, boring ass, nothing shit. Because that moves them, that makes them, that shapes them, their being. Something that is no longer backed by any kind of earthly material, mineral, source. But it gets me what I want, I'm hearing. Little to nothing. I have no wants, nothing of real value, but I'll spend it. I'll keep it. Okay, from their realm into mine. All right. But nevertheless, I feel like even with all this, there was a sense of security and safety that you felt. Okay, you believed you were loved. You believed that you were taken care of. Okay, you believed you were watched over. And you were. I'm hearing about others of another realm, another place, another existence that you were not aware of. Okay? Maybe ancestors, etc., etc. Okay? Take it as it resonates. All right? Let's keep on going here. We have Nine of Swords, upright. Three of Pentacles, upright. And the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. It's a very powerful connection here that you have with someone or something. But I feel like this thing here with feeling that you were loved and, you know, in a safe space and safe haven, blah, 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 that, you know, of what you did, what you were consciously aware of, not that I just said about of another space realm, etc. No, this connection you had, very powerful connection. I feel like this is the energy here. Okay, like I said, family. Okay, the liars and outliers. If it's family, they're supposed to give you some kind of fortune, something you inherited, blah, 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 okay? Took and stole this from you. Okay. And wanted to keep you in a, well, I do feel like they wanted to burden you, but keep you in some kind of space and place of, you know, anxiety. When is going to happen for me? When is going to come for me? When, you know, financial success and reward, when it's going to come to me. Making you feel like something that you absolutely were not. Making you feel like you were the exact opposite of what and who you are. See, they didn't do this alone. Okay? Like I said, liars and outliers, them and others working with them. Okay, I'm hearing round the clock. Now, I feel like whatever it was that they were setting out to do, I don't feel like it's just about just this financial wealth. Yes, you were supposed to gain financial prosperity that would have been transformative, life-changing. But only in the material realm. You are who and what you are. Okay? I mean, this was genetic. This is what was supposed to be. I'm hearing in the earthly realm. So maybe, you know, your family, bloodline. Apparently, though, this wasn't it. Because if it was, there wouldn't have been, I don't feel like this would have been the situation. There was someone else that had you, okay, that took reign over your life, I'm hearing, okay? And you supposed and believed that that's who you were. That that's where you were supposed to be, but you were not. Okay. That is this connection here that you had, this powerful connection with this person, okay, who you believed to be, okay, in essence, a part of you, your blood, okay, but they were not. So they took this mass wealth, I'm hearing, from you and put you in this situation, okay, mentally. Words were said and spewed at you, okay, that you did not pick up on consciously, okay, but the subconscious mind did. I am not worthy. Okay. I cannot have the abundance. I am not worthy of myself, of the abundance of my truth, myself, my being. These are the things that were thrown at you, the seeds that were planted here within your being, okay? And they sprouted and grew. You watered them, so did they, okay? And anyone else and anything else surrounding this situation, okay? And this is what grew out of you. Why not me? When it's gonna be me? Something ain't right. I don't feel right about myself. Something wrong. I can't make out what it is. Who is these people? These special things that occurred in my life all the time. I feel hidden from them. They no longer be. They're not happening like they used to. What's going on? This was what they were doing here to you. But you are more than that. More than just this financial thing, okay, as I was stating earlier. Whatever this thing that they were planning and cooking up over your world here did not come to be. It did not come to fruition in the way that they thought or in the way that they would like. See, it was supposed to end a while ago. What? Your existence was supposed to come to naught a long time ago, but it didn't. You kept going, you kept pushing, you kept thriving in you. In this mass amount of mess that was being thrown at you, that was being consumed by you. Because here you were here in this, not knowing, completely unaware. Well, I don't know if I should say completely, because you were aware of something, okay? And that thing that you were aware of is what plucked you up out of this shit, okay, and saved you and brought you back to yourself. They are cunning. They are planning, I'm hearing, to come in again, okay, to try to stomp you out. This, okay, just so you know. They still planning. They still cooking in the pot over your ass. Right up under this magician card. We love ya. And some about words of wisdom to simply erase these folk like they was trying to erase you and move the fuck on. I just heard no need for an energetic freeze. In other words, no need to cause yourself stagnancy and to be stuck and back here where they want you to be. What happened? I was doing good. I had removed myself from this shit. Now I'm back. Worse than ever before. I can't seem to get up out of this hole. That's what they want for you. Remove yourself. Incompleteness. Faulty. So when they faulty, asses, I heard responses. I don't know what that means. When they faulty responses, I don't know, come to you or whatever. They're going to respond to you in some way, shape, or form, okay? Because you're opening your mouth, you're saying things, okay? So this is their way of responding to you, coming back, okay? Let's go back into that person's life and finish off what we started. But I'm hearing you're not going to finish off anything, okay, but yourselves in your little realm, in your little world, okay, in that little rock that you hide in or live up under. This shit is complete and over with. Move on. Okay. But you won't, okay? People gotta do what they gotta do. They gotta try. But it's come to an end. Now, hold on. I'm asking why helicopters and phone taps. I heard shit because your phone was tapped. But see, I'm hearing by these outliers, okay, not these liars of fake family or friends or whoever the fuck these people were that you were close to and bed with, that you didn't know what they was doing to you, okay? Maybe like I heard, now I'm gonna tell you what I heard. Government folk, the good government folk, officials, checking in on you. Some for good, some not so good. Hovering over your space. The military copters up there, watching over you. Some trying to protect you. Some not. They still follow, they still watch in different ways, but I feel like you have opened your eyes and you've awakened, okay, removed yourself from this bad energy that people was trying to have you isolated and didn't want nobody to see and all of that kind of shit, okay, that you can see now who's who and what's what. Interesting thing is, I'm hearing they know. Okay. When you make it aware to them, like, however you throw your energy out at them, I know who and what the fuck. They know that you know. But I'm also hearing they're glad that you know. It's about time, I'm hearing, okay? To come undone. Okay. May not be that way all the time. But some of the time. Okay. And I don't know. I'm hearing they're proud of you. Keep marching forward.